All right, so we're at 22 Hart in Providence on the east side of Providence. You know, you wanna make every house beautiful, but you gotta reel yourself in because you gotta make a little bit of money as well. We're gonna keep the vinyl, we're just gonna power wash it. All right, we're replacing every single window on this house. We're gonna do a new roof. This roof is kind of tricky. It's got a lot of interesting pitches, so we're gonna strip it, brand new roof out here. We're gonna landscape this, make really visually appealing because you want the house to have that curb appeal. And then with this driveway right here, we'll probably repair the cement. We'll either put down some really nice gravel or some really nice grass right in the middle. Not going over the top, you just wanna do kind of as little as possible, but truly make it as nice as possible and just kind of get that marriage. Right away when you walk in, we're gonna replace the drop with sheetrock, because right away drop ceiling, like you want those maybe in basements and that's it, right? So we got sheetrock. We're gonna paint this like crystal white, all right? And then we're gonna put down a new really nice vinyl on the floor, probably support it a little bit. New front door. This is kind of like a standard, super old East Side home. These hardwoods, we're gonna refinish these. These things are gonna pop. Like these things are gonna be beautiful. This right here is called the pocket door. Right now, it's obviously all crunchy, and we're doing demos on it right now, but we'll keep that door here. We got a really, really old kitchen, all right? So same thing, you got this old, like almost drop ceiling. This floor, there's hardwoods underneath it. So we're actually gonna be able to rip this up, refinish all the hardwoods. You're gonna have a brand new, stunning kitchen in here with huge windows. In these old homes, there's only one bathroom, all right? So now what we're gonna do, coming over here, this is like an old galley style pantry. We're gonna gut this thing and put in a beautiful bathroom right here off the kitchen. So now they got a shower, toilet, vanity down here. They got a full bath upstairs. Now it becomes a 4-bed, 2-bath instead of a 4-bed, 1-bath. Another really cool thing about these houses is these old radiators. So when you see a radiator, you likely have steam heat because the steam is gonna heat this thing way more efficiently than water, and it's probably an old oil boiler. But these things are classic. Like they have really nice details in them. So instead of putting in baseboard or putting in different heating systems, we're actually just gonna like spruce this thing up and make it look brand new. Try to keep kind of the classic feel of the house. All right, so we come up, you can't be selling this bath, right? So we're gonna make this thing absolutely stunning. So then you got your full up here and you're gonna full downstairs. Like this is a standard closet. I don't even know what to do with this thing. You know, it's at a weird angle. You might fit 2 t-shirts in there and you have a massive chimney here. So it's not like I can just demo into the chimney because the whole roof will collapse. But this is all it is up here. You got 4 bedrooms, all nice hardwoods. They're gonna sparkle, we'll paint it. All new windows everywhere. Everything will be skim coated, so all these little like hairline fracture cracks will be gone. It's gonna have brand new electric, brand new kitchen, 2 new baths. Open this thing up. This right here, you gotta address this right away if you're in an old home. All right, these are called fuses, these circular things. That's your electric, all right? You need to change those 200 amp circuit breakers, all right? And you can see I'm peeling stuff off my face because we're in an old cobweb basement. This is pretty much what I do. So we popped in a new boiler. We'll probably make a little laundry room over here. What we want is for people to first pull up to the neighborhood and say, oh my God, this neighborhood is so nice. To look at the house and say, wow, this is a really nice house. It's got a classic feel. Walk into it, and everywhere they look, they're just like, oh my God, that's such a nice bath. Oh my God, that's such a nice countertop. That island's amazing. These hardwoods look beautiful. You goof up a rehab on this by putting in materials that aren't up to par for the area. This isn't the Home Depot special. Home Depot is tremendous for a lot of things. It's not tremendous for this house. You need to find the right cabinetry for this house, not Home Depot. You need to find really nice quartz or granite countertops. And also, it's your workers. It's the guys that are doing the work. You actually want guys that are familiar with these older homes who aren't gonna come in and like butcher it. We're in the best neighborhood in Providence. We could rent this thing, we could Airbnb it, we could hold it forever. I might sell this thing in 6 months and then in 5 years be like, I can't believe I sold that property. You wanna buy properties like this that maintain their value in multiple different strategies.